Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: environment selected, base URL set, and token available. First, pick the correct HTTP method and paste the endpoint. Next, add headers like authorization and content type so the server accepts your request. If needed, switch to body and choose raw or form data and paste JSON or form fields. Once done, click Send and watch the response panel populate. Make sure to save the request to a collection for repeatable checks and debugging. Once the response arrives, read the status code and response time immediately. This tells you if the request succeeded or failed. Then switch between pretty, raw, and preview to inspect structure and formatting. Now validate JSON. Use the built-in schema validator or parse specific fields with Java script in the Tests tab. You should assert key values, types, and presence of fields, and set environment variables from response data to chain requests. Make sure tests are deterministic, so failures point to issues. Finish by saving the working request and any useful responses to a collection or example so you can reproduce results later. If something looks off, open the Postman console to inspect the raw request, headers, and error messages. This reveals mismatched content type or token problems. If tests fail, compare the payload you sent with what the API docs expect, check environment variables, and retry. One key tip: when stuck, resend with minimal fields, and add items back incrementally to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.